Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mary. For today's video, I'm going to be creating this eye look you see here. Very inspired by the Barbie Malibu collection that just came out at Forever 21. I did buy some pieces and this is one of the shirts that I got. I'm going to go ahead and do a haul so you guys to share with you guys what I got. I absolutely love everything from this collection. So I figured why not do a haul and share with you guys. I am going to be using the Yvette XO Beauty Creations palette as well as the Norvina palette. Thank you so much if you did watch my previous video. It means a lot to me. If you are supporting my channel, I would love for you to share this video so I can get to 1,000 subscribers because that is my monthly goal for this month. Actually, no, because that'd be a little crazy, huh? Getting 300 subscribers in a month, girl. I don't know where these 300 subscribers are gonna come from, but that is one of my goals, to hit 1,000 and obviously just keep moving on from there. So if you can do me the favor and share this video, comment down below something because that helps my algorithm, or at least like this video because I am getting the views but I'm not getting the likes. Maybe you guys don't like my video, but I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be creating this look you see here. I'm super excited to play with color today, of course. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this eye look, just please keep on watching. So I'm gonna carve out my brows using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Golden Beige. And I like to use the back of my hand as a tray. I'm going to be using this Morphe and Ariel A19 brush. I love this brush to just carve out my brows. Once I have the product there, I like to blend it down with the other side of the brush. And the remaining, I like to just bring it to the front. I'm going to take my Trixie P10 brush and I'm just gonna blend the concealer down. Okay, so since I am gonna be working with bright colors, I really do want my shadow to pop. So I'm gonna be using my Anastasia eye primer. It's gonna be the Trixie P09 brush. And I'm gonna grab some on the back of my hand. That brush that I used to blend out the concealer from the bottom of my brow, I am using it to blend out the corners of the primer just so I won't have any harsh edges around the primer. So I feel like this primer just leaves, I don't like when that happens, like you put the primer and it just kind of leaves like the white all over, like the edges all harsh. I don't like that, so I like to blend that out. Let's start off with the first shade, and I'm gonna be using my Yvette XO and Beauty Creations palette for this. This is the Ice on Me, and I am obsessed with this yellow here, so I'm gonna use this one. This is called Leo Babe. Use this Makeup Shack blending brush all over the crease. Okay babes, so now for my second shade, I noticed that this pink in this palette has shimmer in it, and I really don't want shimmer for this look, so I'm gonna grab my Norvina palette and I'm gonna use the pink that's in here, which is D5, this one right here, and I'm gonna use a Morphe M456 brush, put it on the outer corner of my eye, and work my way up to the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and use a Morphe M506 brush, you guys, and I'm just gonna blend out that pink out. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that I used the yellow with, and I'm just gonna blend out everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more pink just because I know that shade kind of just faded away. Okay, babe, so now for my lid shade, I'm gonna use Yvette EXO, this one right here, this baby pink. And I'm gonna use just a regular eyeshadow brush from Morphe, and this is the 106 brush. I'm gonna go back in with that other brush that I used the pink with, and I'm just gonna put those together just like that. Make sure it's like blended nicely in the middle. Reapply some of that pink, you guys, just to make it more intense. So this is what it should look like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. Okay, babe, so I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, and I am using Beauty Creations in the style Expensive. I also did the rest of my face, girl, because I didn't want this to be a long video. And I'm just gonna do one more last thing, and I'm gonna apply some of this Money Moves shade, this one right here. I'm gonna use a Morphe M421 brush, and I'm just gonna apply a tiny amount just to kind of highlight the inner part of the eye. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much if you did watch my video to the end. Don't forget to please like this video if you did enjoy this look, and as well as the video, of course. Don't forget, comment down below something sweet, anything that you would like. It really does help my algorithm, is that how you say it? Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers, because I'm almost there. I'm at 708, but a girl, who's counting? Who's counting? Anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys and girls in my next video. Bye.